Welcome back, guys. We are a family with a twist.
My name is Jordan and this is
Christy.
our mom. So you guys can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And go out and check our Facebook page.
Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah. Hey, it's Manny. What does Manny have today?
Dun-dun-dun.
Da-da-da-dum-da-dum. Manny's cloud cream slime.
Ooh.
I would like for you to make fake snow.
Okay.
Then make any color of slime you wish.
Yay.
Add your fake snow and see who makes the best one.
That's gonna be me.
Have fun. Thanks, Manny.
Let's go ahead and set out our bowl so we can put that in the middle of us.
We forgot our water.
Oh,
Thanks, Manny.
Oh,
Manny'sTheBomb.com.
You get that one. Let's make
This
our fake
stays up here.
snow.
Easy.
Easy, easy.
Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2,
3.
Woo! Look at it. It's making snow. Look at it grow. Look at that. Just a little bit more. It makes 10 times the amount. Look at that snow.
Put some of mine for me.
It's so cool. I'm not done. This is cool. I feel like a little kid playing in the snow. Ready?
My turn.
Wow. Look at it.
Smooth it over. Wow, it just like rises. It inflates like a balloon. It's a cloud balloon. Wow.
It's getting there.
Mine's really good.
How's yours feel? Good enough?
Yeah.
Yours is really, really
Mine's snow.
fluffy. Oh,
Mine's
yeah.
like snow.
That cool. Look at that, guys. We didn't get no snow, so guess what? We got snow.
We got some snow.
Yours is really full.
I know yours isn't. Whoa.
It's rising.
So cool.
All right, so
But I just want to keep touching
we're going to
it.
put our snow over here.
Snow.
Move this.
Snow.
And grab some glue. Glue, 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 glue. Good job, me.
Pouring in my glue. About maybe that much. Yeah, I did mine about there. Maybe a little bit more.
That's good.
We got some paint. I'm going to
You
do
get to pick whatever color we wish.
I call dibs on orange.
Well, I wanted pink, so you can have what you wish.
Okay, I wish for orange.
Yours is bright.
I know.
I wanted mine really pink, pink, pink.
Pink, 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 pink and pink.
Woo!
Whoa! It just swirls when it mixes.
Hey guys, if you haven't already watched some of our other videos, you should go check them out.
Yeah.
We have some really cool Minecraft videos. We have a really cool Pac-Man video.
Yeah, we have a lot of cool
I
videos.
think you really like them.
A lot of some really cool, crazy videos.
So if you subscribe,
You'll know
you'll
when
get
they
to
come
see
out.
them all when they come out.
As soon as they come out, you'll get a notification. I'm ready to activate. Look how mine looks.
Yours is bright.
Yours is bright too.
It's like blindy bright, huh?
I'm gonna go ahead and activate mine. We're using some Starflow.
Starflow.
Cause it will
Then the snow.
Starflow overflow. It's gonna overflow.
I don't know I set that down there. I'm gonna need it again.
Yeah. Unless you put in a lot.
Nah.
I already...
Slime is amazing.
It's so slimy and amazing. And it's sometimes easy.
It is a stress reliever.
Like if you have a bad day on your math test and you get it all wrong, go make some slime and squeeze it.
Yeah.
Let all of your anger out on that. That's what it's for.
Yeah.
That's what I sometimes use slime for. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you didn't use me as an example.
You're a slime. Mine's ready to
I'm
go.
gonna take my anger out.
No.
You want me to put that over here on the tray?
Sure.
Ugh.
I'm going in with my hands, guys.
Look at my pretty pink.
Look at my pretty orange. Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Pinkity pinkity.
Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this.
I know. I just wanted
I
to
want to
get...
mix up my snow.
Just want to do it already.
And then maybe if I have enough. Would you like to build a snowman?
Or
Can I have a little bit of yours so I don't have to grab mine?
Sure.
Oh, you want to dump it in for me? Be kind to your mother.
Mm.
Okay. Go.
I'm trying to make yours rippy.
Hey, that's not nice.
Sabotage!
So you're trying to make mine bad and yours good?
Yeah, I want to win.
Manny, I need some salt. I want to ruin Jordan's slime.
Manny, I need some flour, some sugar, some eggs, and maybe, I don't know.
Oh, I love this pink.
Look at my orange, it's so
This is
bright.
really bright.
This cloud cream.
Woo, baby.
Oh, mine's ah! Help.
Help.
I need somebody.
Help.
Not just anybody. Mom. Can you put this on your side?
Sure. What sure, Jordan? Hey guys, see my snow? See my snow?
Feels so cool.
Here, we don't need this stuff no more.
Don't take my paint, just in case.
Oh, you want to add more?
If it gets.
How about I add green? Psych.
Oh, don't you do that to me. If so, then I would just make it period
The
green.
snow is gone. It disappeared.
Wow, look at this little piece.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I have a break.
I have a break. It feels so awesome.
Whoa. Get that snow back in there.
Mix her up.
And all that mixed up in there.
Snow, snow.
It already feels so like cool.
So cool.
It already feels so cool.
I know it.
Can you make a snowman?
No,
It's not.
it's not gonna work. But my pink is holding out, guys. It's still bright and pretty, and I just found a piece of orange.
Sabotage! I wonder who sabotaged you. Maybe Manny?
No.
Maybe he put some orange in the pink paint.
Manny's my friend. Oh, it's getting there. I feel it.
I feel it.
Oh, this is cool beans.
I just wanted to get your
Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of my snow.
So am I. Spread that out, son. And then
It's kind of sticking to me.
kerplunk. Need more activator?
It was fine. It's supposed to be stringy, remember?
Yeah, I know. I'm smart. Uh-oh. Making a mess over here.
Not Jordan. He doesn't make messes. I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't think that's true. I need like activator.
Ooh.
Mine's sticky.
Yeah, mine got sticky too.
Can you activator?
Yeah, I'm gonna activate you.
And yourself. I'm trying to get
You don't even have your snow mixed up.
I'm trying, okay?
Here,
Mine's getting
make
straight.
a hole.
I can't make a hole. My hands are stuck. You make a hole.
Try that.
Let's see how that works. Maybe the snow kind of melted it a little bit.
Snow was too cold.
Cold stuff doesn't melt, so warm stuff does. Maybe the snow was secretly in disguise as lava. So it's...
Did Manny trick us?
Instant.
No. Why would he do that?
Oh,
Manny's our
are
friend.
you sure he wouldn't trick us?
Manny loves us.
Ugh. Sticking to me.
A little bit more, just a little bit more.
I think a little bit more for me too.
You need some too?
Alcohol. I think mine's starting to get that snowy, drizzly
Yeah,
stuff.
that's what mine's doing too.
Feels like we put crystals in it. I think it's getting there
Yeah, it is.
for sure.
I love the color.
Mine's kind of duller, but I like it.
So what you think, guys?
I don't think.
Jordan's look good, or does Christy's look better?
Oh, you want to play it like that? Does Christy's look good, or does Jordan's look better? Of course.
Hey!
Oh, my slime doesn't need any activator.
I just need a little bit. I'm good to go.
Mine's ready.
Yours looks really good.
I know.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Ha 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 ha.
Yep. You got it, son.
It's kind of drizzly. Sometimes they need to sit sometimes, but mine's already kind of drizzly
Yes, yours looks really good.
and snowy.
Ooh.
Spider webs. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Can we still make a bubble?
1, 2, 1, 2.
No.
Splat.
I can do this. I'm the bubble master.
Not happening.
Yeah, huh? Never mind.
Yeah, look. I got the baby. Ah, get your orange out of here.
She's violent.
Did we do good, guys? Did you like it?
Woo!
Boom, baby. Now we just have to see what the master thinks, you know.
M-A-N-A.
Manny, M-A-N-N-Y, M-A-N-N-Y, and Manny was his name, oh.
Yay!
Woo! Woo! Jordan's had a pretty bright collar. Hey, Manny. What do you think? Do you like it?
Who
Did we do
won?
okay? Oh, let's let them decide. All right, guys. Till next time. Bye.